Hello student, welcome back to your online class. Today we are going to study about food for us, okay? Chapter 10, page number 54. Food means you all know, right? Which we eat every day, right? Food is very necessary for our daily life, right? Okay, now in this chapter we are going to study about why we need food. What are the foods which will help us to grow, to survive? Okay, down there is the introduction. Food is fuel for our body, just like petrol and diesel for vehicle. Okay, vehicle needs petrol and diesel to move from one place to another, right? Like that only in our body we also need fuel. That fuel is food to survive our life, okay? To survive our life. Food is our basic need. We need food to grow. Food gives us energy to perform many activities. Food keeps us strong and healthy. Food is our daily need, and we need food to grow, and food will give us energy, okay, to work and to survive, okay. And if we eat food, it keeps us strong and healthy, okay. Types of food, okay. What are the types of food that will help us in many ways, okay, to be strong, to be healthy, to grow? What are the types of food? Okay, now let's study. Foods are of different types. They are categorized in 3 major groups. Okay, food also have different types, okay. And this has divided in 3 groups, okay. What are they? Number 1, energy giving food. The food which gives us energy are called energy giving foods. Carbohydrate and fat rich food are the energy giving food, okay. Which food gives us energy? We called energy giving food, okay. Which are the food that gives us energy? That is carbohydrate and fat, okay. These two have rich food, okay, and from these only we get energy food. What are the source of carbohydrate? From where we get carbohydrate? Okay, source of carbohydrates are honey, sugarcane, potato, rice, beetroot, etc. Okay, from this thing, honey, sugarcane, potato, rice, beetroot, etc., from these we will get carbohydrate, okay. These are the source of carbohydrate, okay. And from where we will get fat, okay. From source of fat. What are the source of fat, okay? From oil, ghee, butter, etc. are the source of fat. From this we will get fat, okay. These are the source of fat, okay. Number 2, body building food. The food which help us to grow and make strong is called body building food. Which food help us to grow and also makes us strong? We call that body building food, okay. Protein rich food is the body building food. Milk, cheese, egg, pulses, soya bean, etc. are the source of protein. And these body building foods we get from milk, cheese, eggs, pulses, soya bean, etc. okay. And in this all we will find protein, okay. In these all we will find protein, okay. And this protein is the body building food, okay, which help us to build our body, which help us to make strong, okay. These things will help us to make ourselves strong and help us to grow, okay. And these things we call protein, and this protein is we call body building food. Okay. Number 3, protective food. The food which keeps us away from disease is called protective food. Vitamins and minerals rich foods are called protective food. Which food will protect or keeps us away from disease, from sickness is called protective food. Okay. And in this protective food, we get vitamins and minerals. Okay. Rich food. Okay. We'll get minerals and vitamins. And these vitamins and minerals rich food are called protective food. Okay. They help us to keep our body healthy and strong. They make our bones and teeth strong. Fruits and vegetables are the good source of vitamins and minerals. And how this protective food help us to keep away from disease and sickness? This protective food help us to keep our body healthy and strong, and also it makes our body, bones and teeth strong. Okay, this protective food will help us to make our bones and teeth strong. Okay, and in this protective food, we will find out from where we will get this protective food. We will get this protective food from fruits and vegetables. Okay, and in these vegetables and in these fruits and vegetables, we get good source of vitamins and minerals. And if we eat these fruits and vegetables, it will help us, and it will keeps us strong, and it will keeps us away from disease. Okay, and it will keeps us from sickness. You will not fall sick if you eat green vegetables and fruits. Okay, we should also eat raw fish. Raw fish helps to keep right of constipation. We should also drink lots of clean water. Water helps us in digestion and also maintains the temperature of our body. Okay, raw food means fiber which includes wheat, grain, fresh or dried fruits and vegetables. Okay, and this raw fish food will help us from many sickness. Okay, like for example, sickness of stomach ache. Okay, and gastric problem. And if we eat raw fish, it will help us. Okay, it will not pain your it will not pain your stomach, and it will not have gastric problem. Okay, so in our life, raw food is also important for our health. Okay, and always drink lots of clean water, purified water. Okay, so that your food should digest properly. Okay, and also it will maintain the temperature of our body. So drink lots of water. Okay, balanced diet contains all the essential nutrients along with raw fish and water. Okay, this balanced diet means in this balanced diet there will be carbohydrate, fats, protein, minerals, vitamins. In this balanced diet there will be contain. Okay, these all things will be in balanced diet. Okay, and if you eat balanced diet, this balanced diet will keep your body fit and fine. Okay, and along this balanced diet, raw fish and water is also important. Okay, next page, source of food. Okay, which food we are eating, that food from where we will get. Okay, let's study. There are two main sources of food, plants and animals. Okay, from where we'll get that food? We'll get that food from plants and animals. Okay. First one is plants. We get most of our food from plants. We get fruits, vegetables, food grains, pulses, etc. from plants. Okay. From plants, what things we will get? Most of the food we get from plants. And what are they? They are fruits, vegetables, food grains, pulses, etc. Right? Okay, these all we get from plants, and it will help us to survive. It will help us to from disease. It will help us from disease, to maintain our body, and it will help us to grow, and it will help us to be strong. Okay, these vegetables, fruits, food grains, pulses, etc. These things will help us in our body, okay, to keep ourselves healthy. Okay. Number 2, animals. We get milk, eggs from animals. Cows, buffalo, goat gives us milk. We make curd, butter, ghee, cheese, etc. from milk. Okay, now from animal, what type of food we will get? From animal, we get milk. That milk comes from cow, buffalo, goat. Okay, this all will gives us milk. And from animal, from this milk we make curd, and after that butter, ghee, cheese, etc. Right? And also from animal we get eggs, and these eggs we get from hen, duck. Okay, and also from animal we get hen and dog gives us eggs, right? And we get meat from fish and goat. Okay, and also from animal we get meat from fish and goat, and also from hen. We'll eat hen, fish, right? Goat. These all things we get from animals. Okay. Okay, this chapter is finished. So come, there is a exercise. Okay. Number A, answer the following question. This answer the following question I will send you in WhatsApp group. Okay. Come down, there is a B. Fill in the blanks. Here are some options are given. You choose and fill the blanks. Okay. Number 1, major constituent of foods are called nutrients. Okay. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S, nutrients. Number 2, ghee is rich source of fat. Okay. F-A-T, fat. Number 3, green leaf vegetables are rich source of minerals. Okay. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. Okay. Come down, there is a C. Match the following. You have to match with each other. Okay. Column A to column B. Okay. Energy giving food, butter and rice. Body building food, pulses and beans. Protective food, fruits and vegetables. Okay. Down D. Multiple choice question. Tick right the right option. If the option is right with sentence, you tick the right. Okay. Energy giving food is fat or carbohydrate? Both, right? From both we'll get energy giving food. Okay. Here, tick right. Number 2, eggs and meats are rich source of protein, vitamins and minerals. Which? Protein. It's a source of protein. Okay. Down there is the activity. Make a list of various products which are obtained from plants and animals. Okay. Make one chart from where? From plants and animals. What we'll get? You write here plants and write down what we'll obtain from plants, okay? And other side write animals, and from animals what things we obtain, okay? What things we'll get, you write down, okay? Thank you for today this much only, okay?